By the end of this video, you will know how to add a bank account in Clio Manage. Start by signing in to your Clio Manage account. Once you are in the main workspace, go to the Accounts section. From there, click New Bank Account to open the setup form. This takes you to the screen where you can enter the details for the new account. The first field to review is the account type. Select the account type that matches the bank account you are adding. Make sure the selection is correct before moving forward, since this setting helps define how the account is categorized in Clio Manage. Next, enter the bank account details shown on the form. Begin with the account name. This is the label that will appear in Clio Manage, so use a name that helps you identify the account clearly. After that, enter the account number in the appropriate field, then add the transit number and the account holder information. Continue by filling in the institution field and the domicile branch field. If your bank uses a SWIFT code and you want to include it, enter that in the SWIFT field. Since SWIFT is optional, you can leave it blank if it does not apply to the account you are creating. As you complete these fields, check that each value is entered in the correct place so the banking information is recorded accurately. Once the account details are in place, move to the currency setting. Select the currency for this bank account from the available options. This determines the currency associated with the account inside Clio Manage, so choose the one that matches the actual bank account. After selecting the currency, enter the opening balance. This is the starting balance that will be associated with the new bank account when it is created. Enter the amount as needed in the balance field and review it before continuing so the account begins with the correct figure. There is also an optional setting on this form. If you want this bank account to appear first when viewing the Transactions tab of a matter or contact, check the box labeled Show this bank account first when viewing the Transactions tab of a matter or contact. If you do not want to change that display preference, leave the box unchecked and continue. Before saving, take a final look over the information you entered, including the account type, banking details, currency, and opening balance. When everything looks correct, click Create New Bank Account. Clio Manage will save the entry and add the account to your records. Your new bank account is now added in Clio Manage